Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. Today we are unboxing the coveted Oyster Perpetual 36mm in the candy pink colorway. Now, of course, we need to showcase our beautiful, vibrant Rolex green shopping bag. Rolex really knows how to dot all their I's and cross all their T's with their brand and has beautiful packaging from their bags to their boxes to their watch cases. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the actual watch box. You can see the beautiful textured box. It's a very sturdy box and it gives the model on the back. Just overall feels very luxurious. When we open it up, we see our beautiful candy pink Oyster Perpetual. I'm so excited to be reviewing this today as this is a very coveted model, very limited. And there's just not a lot of them out there. Like I mentioned, this is the 36mm case, which is typically slated for a ladies style watch. Most of these colors that are available in the 36 also came available in the 31 and the 41. This candy pink color is one of 5 of the more adventurous colors that Rolex released in the OP style, which include coral red, turquoise blue, green, and yellow as well. Of those colors, the turquoise blue, which many seem to say it looks like a Tiffany blue, and the candy pink are the most desirable. This is definitely confirmed by their resale values and of course just their scarcity overall. Now trying this on, we can definitely see how dainty and soft this pink looks when it's on. We can see the Oystersteel band has kind of a matte shine to it, and it just overall looks very sleek. Taking a look at what's inside our box, we can see that we have the swing tag and of course the extra links that we took out. For any first-time Rolex buyers, anytime you purchase a watch or have a watch resized, you should always request the swing tags as well as any extra links. This is definitely important if you're ever thinking of reselling the watch, and especially depending on the material, they can actually be quite valuable. I like to store my swing tags along with any extra links right in the Rolex box itself for safekeeping. Taking a look at the upper part of the box, we actually have a little hidden compartment. Inside this compartment, Rolex gives us a warranty booklet, which I will show you each page of, and feel free to pause the video at any point and take screenshots, explore a little deeper. This booklet gives an overview of how to wind the watch, how to set the watch, anything that you would need to know as a new user or a new owner of any given model. Rolex also gives a brief overview of the care needed for the watch and the worldwide service network in case you ever need work done on your Rolex. It does come with a 5-year warranty when purchased from the authenticated dealer or the AD, which you can see right here. We have our warranty booklet as well as our warranty service card that is activated on the day that you purchase the watch. Again, I like to put these back in the top of the box for safekeeping and store them all together. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing with us today. Be sure to subscribe for daily unboxings and let us know in the comments below if there's anything you'd like us to try on.